part 1, how to create a theme in HubSpot. So you go to marketing, you go to files, and then after that you go to design tools. And then you're going to need a boilerplate. So the boilerplate that you can use, the boilerplate folder to create a theme, you go to HubSpot, HubSpot folder. So HubSpot folder has different kind of boilerplate that you can use, the custom boilerplate, or you can just be the folder themes boilerplate. So we're going to use growth. So you do right click and then you clone theme. So we don't want to do create chat theme, we're going to do clone theme. Clone, and then for instance you give it a name of like builders, for instance. Let's say for instance builders create. So this theme is kind of like a theme that is gonna be for a company that they do hard work, or they sell hard hardware, so they sell hardwares and things like that. So it's just an example. So when you're cloning the theme, it takes some time. So you're gonna find different kind of folder in the theme. As you can see, we have different folder here. We have the language folder. Inside language folder, we have different kind of languages, as you can see there. We have CSS folder. Is where you put your CSS, and then most of the time we're gonna use the theme override with CSS. And then we have the images. Is where we put our images. In these images, we have where you're gonna structure all your stuff that you want to do there. So the module icons, you put your own module icon there. The section previews, the template previews, those are the folders, and you can do whatever you want here. So we have JavaScript folder where you put all JavaScript files. Modules where you put all your modules, and then after that we have sections, and then we have templates where you put all the templates. The main template that we have here. So yeah, so we're gonna focus just about this other all the normal templates. Here we have some of the templates that make part of the kind of like the base file, as you can see there. We have the 404, we have the 500 HTML, we have the backup. So all those things that we're gonna talk about them later on in the next video. So this is just kind of like an overview on how to create kind of like a theme overview. So we're gonna see how you're going to change this one here. As you can see, we have the field.json is where we do setup. Is here where you're gonna set up your font family, font size, and all the CSS branding colors and set up there. And here the main theme.json. This is the JSON file for your theme. Here we're gonna show you what where these things you're gonna see it in your HubSpot settings. So now we're going to show you how this folder is going to be shown in your settings. So you go to HubSpot settings, right click, go to HubSpot settings, you go to website and then themes, and then you're going to look for builders. Go builders. As you can see, we're still having the graph image is preview. So how to change that one, go there. So is where you're gonna change the image here, and then to locate this image, to upload the image, you're gonna have to upload on the image folder, template previews, image folder, template previews. We're gonna update, you upload the image here. So to upload the image, for instance, you can just say like click home. Yeah, when I click there, replace, when you click replace, this is where now you're gonna be able to go and then change your theme. Yeah, so now okay, so that is a part there. This is where you change your the image for the templates. So yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to show you how to let's go to the settings. Settings, builders, view theme. And then here where you change the theme color. So here they're showing you where you can change the branding. So you have color, font, spacing, and then more settings. You can see there where you can change all your colors, um, fonts, check more settings. We have buttons. Let's test buttons. Primary, backgrounds, make it black. You see the color is going to change. Color change to black. And then here where you can see there's a lot of setups here. You can view this one as different pages that you have already. And then here different languages. And then here we have the different view. Okay, so and then after that, once everything is fine, then you can preview it. Same thing as you can see. So once you finish to do the branding customization, go back, and then you can also publish there. Click publish. Yeah. So that's it. So in our second video, part 2, so we're going to show you how to add a custom module in your theme. Thank you so much. We're going to see you today when we're gonna in our next video, part 2. So we're gonna talk about adding the custom modules. Thank you.